welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating this glowy summer look. Guys, look at the eyes, they're so glossy and wet and just summery, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted to create a look because I haven't done makeup in a while, so I just wanted to sit back a little and just do something quick for you. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because I have some more videos coming at you. Okay guys, so as you can see, we just went ahead and did our brows off camera, and I added my Aliexpress Pro concealer under my eyes, my nose bridge, above my lips and around my mouth. Then I did a little like reverse contouring and so forth. Now we're blending everything out with my beauty sponge and just ensure that you really blend properly. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our Can't Stop Won't Stop in dark cocoa. So I'm just applying that around my mouth area, and then I'm going to spread it with the brush, with this chubby brush from Aliexpress. I'll leave all the information about these brushes in my description. And I'm just applying that under my cheeks, and then I'm just going to add it upwards, like close to my jaw, what do you call it, my contours. Yeah, and then I use it, and basically I just use the brush now to kind of tap it over the reverse contouring. Yeah, so I'm not going to apply the foundation on top of the reverse contouring because it wouldn't make any sense. I'm just tapping off what is left on the brush. As you can see, I just went in with my sponge to just blend out the concealer under my eyes, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just really blending, and I added a little tipsy bit more of the concealer just so that it could give me the brightening effect that I wanted. So now I am going in with my black OPAL invisible powder, and I'm just adding that under the areas where I concealed or highlighted. So I'm just going to add it under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, around my mouth, and also I'm going to be doing a little bit of reverse contouring, but just watch and see, okay? Okay, so as you can see right here, I am adding some of the powder to my brow bone, and I use a powder puff to really apply it because I don't want to be like sweating. through my brows. Yeah, so that's the reason why we kind of highlighted that area, and then I went over top of the highlighted portions that I used to press the powder, and I'm just going to like blend the powder into my skin a little. And as you can see, I'm just adding more. I'm just going to use the powder puff now to really blend the eyeshadow jelly. No, blend the powder into my skin and over my brows. Yeah, and then later on I'm going to go in with a brush to really brush the brows so that, yes, so that it is nice and black. And I'm going to go in with a black powder, no, not black powder, eyebrow like powder, and I'm using all of that from the NYX Love Contours All palette. Now I'm going to go in and we're going to blend out the reverse contouring to the point that you can't really see it. Yeah, pretty much, because we don't really want to actually see the reverse contouring, but we just want to give a hint of shadow basically. Now we're going to go in with our black opal deep dark powder, finishing powder, and I'm just going to add that to the areas of my face where I didn't set with the invisible loose powder. And I'm just going to use this brush from PRACTK by Sigma to apply that, and just applying it seamlessly. Now I'm going to use this angled brush plus this contour shade from the same NYX Love Contours All palette, and we're just going to contour the cheeks a little bit. It's not going to be dramatic, but enough to really sculpt my face, so whenever I look in the mirror I can see like my face looks sculpted. Alright, so we're just blending as you can see, and the light is a little bit bright, guys, oh my gosh, but I'm using this color from the JUVIAS Place SAHARAN 2 palette, my all-time favorite palette for neutrals and just for natural looks. And I'm just adding this blush to the highest points of my cheekbone. Now I'm going to go in with my highlighter from Makeup Revolution. This is a Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock On World, and I'm just using this fan brush from Sylyne to really apply it, and I just blend it out as you can see, taking some down my nose. This brush is from JESSUP, and I am using it to blend the highlighter down my nose bridge. As you can see, the light really bounces off that area naturally. Yeah, so that's the reason why we're going in with highlighter. We could have also like gone on the forehead, but I don't like that look. Alright, so I'm going to use this other brush from Sylyne, and we're going to add the same highlighter, Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock On World, to the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to add all of that, the same Rock On World, on my lids. Alright, so we are using the same contour shade that we use on the face, the NYX Love Contours All palette, that contour shade, and we're just applying it to the transition area of the eyes. Then we're gonna go back in with the highlighter with my fingers, and we're just going to spread it across the lids just to get that highlighted wet shiny look for the summer. Yeah, and then we're going in with this Aliexpress brush again to blend it out, going in again with the highlighter. Now I'm going to go in with this orangey shade from the SAHARAN 2 palette from JUVIAS Place, and we're just going to blend that into the crease, or above the contour, not the contour, yeah, above the contours of my eyes, just so that it can give a nice transition. Then I'm going back in with the same highlighter, taking that to the inner corners, and then on top of the lids, went in with a brush from Sylyne to just really blend that out again, because I really wanted that shiny effect. Now I'm gonna go in with this orange shade using this brush from Sylyne. We're using this orange shade. This is from the same SAHARAN 2 palette, and I'm just using that under the lid because I kind of wanted a blushy kind of eyes. I don't know how to describe it, but it's warm under eye, so it's like shiny on top but warm under the eye, so it just gives me this, I don't know, this look. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like really warm, sun-kissed. As you can see, look at the eyes. Really love the eyes, guys. And I went in with these lashes from Aliexpress. Yes, I'll leave all the link, guys. So I'm using this brown liner to really line my lips, and we're just going to line that as you line away, guys, line away. And I just want to make sure that I follow the natural natural lip shape. And I'm not gonna do like overline or anything, but I'm going to do the slightest overline at the top of my lips, close to my cupid's bow, but it's not really overline. Like that's my natural lips. Yeah, but that's what we're doing, lining the lips, as you can see. And later on, we're going to go in with our or ColourPop lippie stick in Can't Wait, and they discontinued that, so I'm going to have a alternative, something that you can use instead of that, because they have similar shades to the Can't Wait. They have similar shades to that, and we're going to go over that with the same ColourPop double agent gloss. Yeah, so just watch and see. Okay guys, so this is our finished look. Really love it. I really love this look, guys, and tell me what you think about this look.